Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon gift card to buy other gift cards. It's a common question, and the good news is, yes, you often can. However, there are a few important things to keep in mind. You'll want to look for gift cards that are sold directly by Amazon itself, as these are typically eligible for purchase using your existing Amazon gift card balance. To find eligible gift cards, start by searching for gift cards on Amazon. Once you're on the gift card page, it's helpful to filter your results, perhaps by email delivery if you need it quickly. Crucially, always check the product details to ensure the gift card is sold by Amazon.com directly. This helps confirm it can be purchased with your Amazon gift card balance. Once you've found an eligible gift card, simply add it to your shopping cart. When you're ready to complete your purchase, proceed to checkout. On the payment page, you'll see an option to apply your Amazon gift card balance. Make sure this option is selected, and then review your order carefully before finalizing the transaction. It's important to remember that not every gift card available on Amazon can be purchased using an Amazon gift card balance. Amazon sometimes restricts these purchases, often as a measure to prevent fraud. Always check the specific product page and Amazon's terms and conditions for any limitations before attempting to buy a gift card with your existing balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.